Hello, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10L. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's go to Google Pay app and tap Get Started. As you can see, from the homepage of Google Pay, you can add payment method and different types of cards. If you go to the menu, you've got access to all of your payment methods, full list of participating banks, tutorial about how to pay, and your activity. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Next, you've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC. And next, we've got help and support, send feedback, and in the end, access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.